I'm Saithan and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's preview to the charging test on the IQ7 device while playing the FIFA game at same time. Yes friends, previously I did do the plenty of charging test and playing games, for example Battlegrounds Mobile and PUBG and Call of Duty, but few of the FIFA lovers, they actually want to know how is the performance of the IQ7 device when you're trying to play the FIFA game. So that is what I'm going to do in this video, and this question has been requested by plenty of subscribers as well. So try to play the FIFA game, that is what I'm going to do. And this is a 66 watt flash charge, and right now my phone percentage is exactly 1%, exact 1% only, as you can see 1%. And I just want to test the temperatures before starting the test, and my room temperature is pretty normal. It's only 28 degrees, so today it's 1 degree less than yesterday, not bad. So there's no AC, there's no cooler, and 30 degrees I'm getting, and the front side should be off close to 30 degrees anyway. So my phone temperature is 30 degrees in the beginning. So now let's see, again I'll be back after maybe 15 minutes continuously charging the phone, and then we'll be able to estimate how much the phone got charged while playing the FIFA game. And I definitely do not recommend using this kind of method, charging and playing the game at same time. So that is the reason I thought of just doing for only half an hour, 30 minutes only, just to see how much the phone can actually charge. So by using only 30 minutes of charging, let me try to quickly open the FIFA game. The game should be somewhere around here, FIFA, yep. And I'm connected to the Wi-Fi connection during this time, and charging has been connected successfully. And let me try to slightly decrease the brightness, maybe close to 50%, so 50% brightness, so that should be kind of fair. And I connect to the Wi-Fi connection as well. So exactly 15 minutes after, I'll try to be back. Let's see, after 15 minutes, if you try to play continuously FIFA game, connecting the phone and charging at same time, how much the phone can actually charge. So this video is dedicated for all the Free Fire lovers. I do know only there are like few users who actually play the FIFA game, but still I just want to do this video for you all, as you can see. So these are the high settings I'm trying to use during this time of testing. Let me try to start the match, and during this time I'll try to play the game continuously. So let's see, and I'm really interested to see what will be the temperatures and how fast the battery can charge. Right now it did reach up to 3%, not bad. Not bad at all. 4% within just this 1 minute of time. And I just want to see, is there any kind of lag? I think there is no lag at this point. I'm not getting any kind of lag, no. And I can actually use voice changer, game frame interpolation, voice changes. There is no 4D vibrations, unfortunately. That's another drawback. So there is no 4D vibrations. So let's see friends how much the temperature can actually increase. So when you try to charge the phone only, the temperature increases up to I think 37 degrees and 36 degrees, only phone, without playing anything. But when you're trying to play and charge, so this will be a really interesting test. So right now it already reached up to 7% and charging using the flash charge, as you can see. Let's see. Again I'll be back after 15 minutes. Let's see in the 15 minutes how much the phone can actually get charged. So just now it increased to 33. Not bad. It's trying to increase little by little the temperatures. So let's see friends, after 15 minutes how much the phone can actually get charged. So right now, as you can see friends, we are getting close to exactly, I think close to 15 minutes of time. So exactly in the 15 minutes, let's see the battery percentage, it increased to 31%, as you can see. So overall 30%, because we started around 1%, so you can consider as 30. So for 15 minutes the battery life increased to 30% during this Free Fire gameplay. And let's check the temperatures. So how much the temperatures can it be there? One second, let me try to check it. Yes, so now let's check the temperatures. It's of 35.6 degrees, not bad. 35.6 around, and the back side the temperature is 33.4. So overall the highest is 35.6 is only the highest temperatures which I did find during this process of demonstration. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning. So again I'll be back after 30 minutes exactly. So let's see in the 30 minutes how much the battery life can actually increase. So that is what I'm going to test it. So if you consider for 30 minutes, and we'll try to take the average. So for 1 hour, how much the battery life can increase, and full charge, how much time it's gonna take. So I just want to do only for 30 minutes of time, because this will definitely put a lot of stress on the battery, so which will definitely impact for the long time usage. That is the reason I'm not trying to do the continuous test. Again, I'll be back after 30 minutes. We're getting close to exactly 30 minutes, as you can see friends clearly, 30 minutes of time, and still I'm continuously playing the game, the FIFA game in this phone, in the IQ7 device. So I'll try to show you exactly how much battery percentage got reached, so that we can actually estimate. So in 1 hour, if you try to charge and play the FIFA game, So how much the battery life can it increase? That is what my main motive of doing this kind of testing. So right now we are getting close to let's see, let me try to get him and then I'll try to talk about the right now it reached up to 50%, as you can see, exactly around 30 minutes 50% it did reach, not bad. So 50% for 30 minutes of time. So overall it might take close to 1 hour to charge completely. So the IQ7 device, in case if you want to play the FIFA game and charge at same time, so this will be the result. But only thing is that the battery will be slightly getting heat as well. Let me need to check the temperatures, how much it is. Right now 36.2 is the highest, 35.8, 36.2, as you can see. 36 degrees is the highest recorded so far, but that's not bad at all. 36 degrees I would say definitely. It's kind of okay, I would say, for this kind of intense kind of usage. So in case if you have any other queries, make sure to comment below, friends. Definitely I'll try to do the screen recording test while playing the FIFA game very soon after the phone gets charged. I'll try to make that video as soon as possible for you all. So there are a few FIFA lovers actually who play this game. That is the reason I thought of making a video on this IQ7 device. So before I did concentrate only on the Battlegrounds Mobile and BGMI game, but a lot of users, they did ask me to make videos on FIFA as well. That is the reason this video is specially dedicated for the FIFA lovers who actually play the game. So in case if you have any other queries on this smartphone, make sure to comment below. Definitely I'll be able to make a video on that particular topic as soon as possible for you all. So I will be back, friends, in the next video, and stay tuned for more updates as well. In case if you have any other queries, you can definitely ask me. So I'm not continuing this test while playing the game because definitely it will put a lot of pressure on the battery as well. That is the reason I thought of doing only just for 30 minutes of testing. So 30 minutes, it should be kind of okay, I guess. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, stay tuned. Bye.